Oh, di finish school kali maksudnya udah kelar sekolahnya. Nah, ini baru Oh, di finish school kali maksudnya udah kelar sekolahnya. Nah, ini baru Israel banget pokoknya.
Hey,
Hey,
you
you,
from Singapore?
yeah, I'm from Singapore. Kenapa?
I'm from Israel.
Oh, you from Israel, yeah. You have rudal gak? Do you have?
I don't.
Do you have rudal?
What is the rudal?
Rudal is peluru kendali. Rudal.
I have a Dekevakni.
Ah, you don't understand me.
No, I don't understand you, but I have a Dekevakni.
Oh, you have rocket gak?
It's rocket kind of thing. It is.
Rocket, you don't understand rocket.
I know rocket. It's Hebrew. It's a teal. Teal, I think.
Bombing tuh roket. Cuy.
Yes.
Kan you have roket banyak. You.
Yes. It's from Hamas.
You fighting war terus, continue.
Yes, Hamas.
Why your country like to war?
Hamas want to kill me.
Ah, really?
Palestine want to kill us.
Ah, you sending rocket to Palestine. Yeah.
Yes.
You parah you. Yeah, people sleeping. You launching the rocket. People dying there, modar. Your president insane. Don't kill innocent people dong, kalau perang ente militer aja gitu. Orang lagi tidur, lagi berak, lu serang juga pakai roket. Israel. Po, kuaci. Ini makan kuaci ente. Enak kuaci. Ini maknya siapa sini? Po Uyoy ini. Halo Po Uyoy. Bisa kali minta opornya. Kirim sebelah. Opor. Tahu-tahu aja lo, Bang. Sampai sore tiket dia ke maknya aja Nah, gitu aja. Lama aja ketawa-tawa. Capek deh habis ngegosok pakaian. Gimana Buset pakai tato ternyata deh. Hujan nggak sono?
Do you speak English?
Iya, speak English lah. You speak Serbia. Serbia gimana? Wede, very good Pep Guardiola. My brotherku Serbia. Yo, dah.
Serbia.
Serbia. Iya. What is capital city of Serbia?
Serbia, Novak Djokovic, tenis.
Oh, Novak Djokovic. Iya, itu the most popular athlete in Serbia. Iya, benar. Iya, what is your capital city yang gue tanya? Pindah-pindah.
Как тебя зовут?
What? Как тебя зовут? I don't understand you.
What is your name?
My name is Koin Temjon.
Koin Temjon.
Iya, Koin Temjon. Iya, Koin Temjon. Bener. Your name? What your name?
Sergio.
Oh, temannya Paijo. You are the friend of Paijo.
Пойду. Пойду, понимаешь по-русски.
Perdamaian, 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 perdamaian. Banyak yang cinta damai, tapi perang semakin ramai. Banyak yang cinta damai, tapi perang semakin ramai. Bingung, bingung aku memikir pun. Bingung, bingung aku memikir pun. Mantap. You sing dong. Aduh, gigi ente ompong. Very good. You Serbia ya. Serbia. Enggak ah. Gue nggak mau skip. Iya, joget aja bang. Joget bang. Iya, bawa bapak sapi nih. Pak. Asik dah. Bapak goyang-goyang aja. Musiknya nggak ada pak. Ya nggak lupa pak. Nyanyi dong pak. Iya, bapak nih mafia Serbia ya. You can speak English gak? Pak?
Yes, I speak English. Singing more, please.
Oh, singing more. You, what are you doing? You dancing. Gigi ente, your tooth lost one. Hilang atu. Tahu dia lagi. Iya, your tooth lost one. One tooth, iya, bang tooth. Aduh, hati-hati aja bapak-bapak Serbia dah. Musik nggak ada digoyang. Wah, YouTuber. Iya, you YouTuber ya?
No.
Ah, ya. You look like YouTuber. You use gaming chair.
No.
Oh no, Jak się masz? Dobrze. Dobrze, dah.
Yeah.
What's your name? Kinga.
Yeah.
Oh, very good name. You from Warsaw?
I'm from Poland.
Iya, you are from Poland. Are you from Warsaw?
No.
Oh, no, iya, you from Krakow berarti. Iya. No. Oh, berarti you from Poznan ya.
I'm from Katowice.
Katowice berarti Katowice ya. Iya.
I'm from Ostrów Wielkopolski.
Ostrów Wielkopolski. Alas roban kali dah.
I love you.
I love you dah. I love you too. Shema. Iya, jak Shemas.
Good.
Iya, dobrze. Iya dah. Iya, your name, what's your name? Kenapa sih dia bingung kali? Kok ada sih manusia begitu? Ini namanya sindrom subscriber dikit. Halo, people of Perindapan.
कहाँ से हो?
Colosseum. No, I am human. Katiku Colosseum. Iya. Where are you from?
I'm from India. And you?
Oh, you India. Yeah, I am from Indonesia.
Indonesia. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Setang Jepit.
Yes, there are so many temples in Indonesia.
Iya, Temple Borobudur.
Yeah?
Borobudur, Temple Borobudur.
Which god you worship?
Worship. I am Muslim, not Buddhism, not Hindu, no.
So, who worship the Hindu temple in Indonesia?
Worship Balinese, orang Bali lah. Iya, people in Bali. You know Bali gak? Bali Island.
Bali, Indonesia capital.
Iya. No, Indonesian capital Jakarta, Panjul.
Singapura.
Iya, Singapura. Yuk, Latvia ya?
Yeah, Latvia.
Iya, what is language of Latvia? Bro,
Sorry?
what is the language of Latvia?
Latvia.
Iya, Latvia. You use what language?
Sorry?
Iya, what is the language of Latvian people?
Latvian.
Oh, Latvian. Oh, Latvia has its own language.
Yes, yes, yes.
I thought you use Ruski or Polski, something like that. Oh, you Latvia, yeah. Yeah. What is your
But
Oh.
it's not our native language.
Oh, you're not native language. You use what currency? What is your money?
What?
What is your currency? Your money?
Ah, Euro.
Euro. Oh, you use euro. Same with another country.
What is Singapore?
Singapore. No, I am from Indonesia actually. I use VPN.
Okay.
Iya. What your name, brother?
My is Nurik.
Oh, Nulik. Iya, iya. Mantap.
Yours?
My name Senar Gitar.
Again?
Senar Gitar.
Senar Vitar?
Iya. Benar.
And what does it mean?
Senar Gitar is a handsome boy.
Oh, nice.
Iya. Handsome boy. Betul, iya. What is the capital city of Latvia?
Riga.
Riga. You live in Riga?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, very good dah. It's it winter over there?
Of course.
Oh, winter. In here, there is no winter. Because I'm in the Katulistiwa.
I
Equator.
know that
Iya,
there is no.
equator line. So, only rain and hot. Yeah.
And how much degree is there outside?
Outside in Indonesia, about 33 and 34. Yeah,
Plus 33.
33 Celsius.
Нихуя себе. Что? В
Is it-
Индонезии 33 градуса сейчас.
Is it too hot for you?
For now, it's really hot.
Oh,
Because here, I will tell you now,
di sana berapa?
it's -2, bro.
Waduh, -2. I'm freezing over there.
Yes, exactly.
Iya.